Gotta love any piece that can make a...
Well, that doesn't look right.
Gosh. I admire commitment to a bit as much as the next girl, but the bit here is just confusing. All I have to do is find some things Amanda likes and then talk about them. I can do that.